In this video, I'll go over some of the legacy features that are no longer needed because we have AI. So you see here under templates and styling, we've got a lead capture form, drag and drop buttons, and button generated popover. Because we have AI that can generate all these things for us now, all we have to do is just tell the AI to build whatever we want. So these are not really even needed anymore. If you want to use these legacy features, then what you can do is you can customize the default lead capture form. It's got all of these fields here to customize that however you want. And then it's going to give you a preview here. So if you just click that, you'll see the preview of the default lead capture form. But again, the AI will build lead capture forms for you, and so you don't even need to use this anymore. Same thing with the drag and drop buttons. You can create a button. So you just put the link to where you want that button to go. And then you customize that button however you want it to look, and it gives you a preview right here. And then you just save the changes. Now, inside the page builder, we go to the front end builder and front end pages. And if we open the page builder, now if you look under buttons here, right here, you just drag that button on wherever you want it on the page. And you see it will put the button that you customized right there just by dragging it on in the page builder. So same thing with the default form. If you want to put the default form on the page, you just drag it wherever you want it, and it puts the default form on the page. Another thing you can do if you want to use these legacy features, put the form on the page, and then you can tell the AI to style it to match the rest of the page. I don't have the AI enabled in this system, but what I could do is just click on the AI Assistant button and then tell the AI, style this form to match the rest of the page, and then it will do that for you. So a scenario where you may want to still use the old legacy features is if you want to ask for more than just the name, phone, and email. In that case, what you can do is you can go to the front end builder and then go to lead capture forms and add a new lead capture form, name the form, and then you can click this plus to add as many fields as you want. You select the field type. Usually it will be text field if you're asking for information from your leads. And you'll see the preview below. You see we've got the placeholder text here. And so for the heading above, that's not required in this case because we just have the placeholders that is showing the text here. If you wanted to have a heading above this too, you could do that. And you see where it says placeholder, that's what's going to show in the actual form field. And then if you want to put an icon in there, what you can do is go to Font Awesome. There's a link right here that will open up the Font Awesome icons. So for instance, if you wanted to use Android, you could just search right here for Android. And that will put that icon in there for you. So once you have your form built, if you want to put icons for the button, you can use these options below the button. And then you can also set an image if you want to replace the button with just an image. Then you just create custom form. And now if you go to the page builder, and if you go to forms, you're going to see your custom form right there. You see it says form name. And now you can drag that onto the page wherever you want that form. So the last legacy features that you can use if you want are the button generated popovers. So you see if you go to button generated popover, you can customize the popover however you want it to look. And you see you have a preview here. You can open that preview, click this button to preview the popover. And then it also has a video popover right here. So you can customize this icon and this button for the video. You go inside the page builder, you'll see you have the popover video right here. So you can drag that on wherever you want. And then you click that, it'll open a video. You can click on the video and select Vimeo or YouTube and set whatever video ID you want for those. Just undo all of that. And the other option is the button generated popover. So if you go to buttons and you see popover button, drag that on there. And if you click that inside the page builder, it's going to give you that popover, and then you can put any content you want into that. So again, you can just tell the AI to do all these things for you now. So these are really not necessary features. So in most cases, you can just pretty much ignore all of that and just use AI to build your pages for you with anything you want on the pages.